it. Once after doing changes to a particular service, what we have to do? Restart the service. So how to restart it now? Go inside. Huh? Where we have to go to restart the server? Go to Apache, inside go to where? We have that startup dot sh, same file we have to run also. So for startup it is there, for restart also separate file it will be there. For start and stop two files are only there for Tomcat. Okay? So if you once again restart Tomcat, now go and refresh. Now access range should not come. What is asking? Username and password. So I know username and password of Tomcat. So I created any username and password, then how we should work? Where?
Sign in.
You have to sign in. No. Already default credentials are there to Tomcat. If you sign in, again you have to give one more permission. You don't have permissions to sign in for Tomcat also.
Permission denied, there is username and password.
So username and password. If I click on cancel, what is it? Previously what error I got? 403. You have to remember 3. 403 if you are getting means access denied. 404 if you are getting means not found error. 401 means unauthorized. Okay? You have access, but for your credentials it is unauthorized. Clear? Now solution is here itself. You are not authorized to view this page. If you have not changed any configuration files, please examine the file. Which file? Inside one, there is something called as tomcat-users.xml. That file you have to configure it since if you want the authorization. Okay? So this is only we should put. It is telling this only you should add. In that configuration file, this particular content if you are adding, then that is enough to get the access. Clear? Now go to your server. So it is telling conf right. I'll go to conf folder. So which file it has told? Tomcat users dot. So vi Tomcat hyphen users dot. So what I'm doing here? Go down. This and all has been commented. You don't have any username, you don't have any password for Tomcat. It has been commented. Don't uncomment it because we are not going to do any changes. Which is default script. We are going to try to arrange it. Own script in the sense. Copy the first 3 lines whatever has been commented here. Role name. Here. Okay. Give the role name and username. Only these 3 lines have to copy. Then after copying these 3 lines, after comment, few people are there, they will put inside comment only. Whatever you are doing changes inside a comment, it become comment only, right? So come out of that comment box and paste it. Okay. Now what is the role name? This role name and all you have to change. Roles in the sense of particular persons. Okay. Now you want manager access or you want server access or you want any other access to Tomcat? Manager access. We have clicked on manager only, right? Previously also we did configurations to manager. Here also we need a manager access. Then inside manager, what access you want? Either you want graphical user access or you want script access or you want status access. According to our thing, we need only graphical user interface access and we need script access. Apart from this, we don't want any access on Tomcat. Clear? Based on the access, you have to create the rules. Understood? Now I need only graphical user interface and I need scripting. So I will take my Then second role should be manager hyphen script. Here username. Any username you can give. I will leave it like this. Tomcat itself. If you want to put your name also, you can put, no issues. Okay. Then password must be changed. So remove everything here. I will put one password according to me. For example, some password. Tomcat@1. Clear? Then using this username and password, to whom I have to give permissions? Manager hyphen GUI. Here enter. And manager script also should be visible with this credentials. If you are giving manager JMX and status also, for them also you will get access. Okay. Now what is the username of my Tomcat? What is the password? Tomcat@123. This one though you have to configure. Remember, everything is there in that server only. You don't need to remember anything separately. Everything is there in that server. You have to know what to do. Okay. So exit from here. So now as I get changes, I'll go back and I'll restart Tomcat. cd apache /bin. Inside this I have to go with bash startup dot restarted. So go and refresh. What's the username? Password? Right. This is complete configuration of your Tomcat. Only up to here you have to do configuration. First thing you have to do is that context.xml file that you have to edit. Once after that, Tomcat users.xml file. If you edit these two files, you get Tomcat access. Otherwise, you will not get the access. Difficult now? Can I repeat it once again? It's this process. One we get down on this. Isn't it development is that much easy? Huh? Tomcat is very basic server. Further servers you will see Tomcat is only very easy. Then listen properly. What's the configuration of Tomcat server? Really, shooting is happening here. So log from server. Dot MPDAX app server. So D2 migration up. Prepare. Linux MD. So security groups. You write it down. I will get it here. Again, can't do that. Now what to do? Launch the server. Connect it. So go to Tomcat official website. So here I have to copy the link. Copy link address. Go to your server. So Tomcat is dependent on Java. So install Java -17-5. Any version of Java you can use. Tomcat. How to start the service? So we have a folder called bin where all executable files will be present. So go inside bin and we have a file called startup.sh. If you want to stop the server, then shutdown.sh. Okay. So I will start the server bash startup.tomcat start. Right. Now copy the public IP address. Go to browser. Control V 80 as a given all traffic information. Got Apache? But do we have access?
No.
If I click on manager app, I will get something called as access denied. 403 access denied. So if I want access, what I should do? Manages context.xml file. I have to do some modifications. So go back to your instance. So I don't know where that file is present. If you want to locate that file, what command you have to use? Locate command. So we don't have that locate. I'm going to install. Then update the database. Now I can search for that particular file. What is the file? Okay. Context.xml. So I want to edit host manager context.xml or manager context.xml? Manager. So copy the path and go inside the path. CD. So here I have this context.xml file. So vi or nano context.xml. This and all you should do being as a root user only. Remember that also. So in this, what else have to make? Val. Either you can remove it or you can comment. That. So exit from here. Then once after this is done, what you have to do? CD Tomcat, go on restart. CD bin bash startup dot
Double click here.
Tomcat started, go on refresh. It is asking username and password, but I don't know username, I don't know password also. So if I click on cancel, it will give you some unauthorized error. So what is unauthorized? You need manager GUI access. So to get that access, we have to go to which file? Tomcat users.xml file. So I have to see there. They only told it is present in conf directory. Do we have conf here?
Yes.
So go inside conf. Here I have Tomcat users.xml. So vi Tomcat hyphen users.xml. So in this,
You have to copy.
Tomcat hyphen users. Here we have this commented area. We have to make this area as uncommented. Don't do anything here. Let it copy the 3 lines. Role name and username. The 3 lines are to copy. Copy. Come out of the commented area
Paste.
and paste. Okay? If you are coming out of the commented area, then only it will look like these colors and all. Otherwise, it will be blue and all. You guys are listening or not? Now, what's the role name I have to give? Manager. Graphical user interface. Then manager hyphen. If you want that status DMX and all, you have to take 2 more rows. Okay? Then username can be any username. I'll leave that Tomcat. Then password. Any password you can set. I'm telling Tomcat. Okay? Then to these rows I want to give permissions.
Manager.
GUI. Then exit. So if you are doing changes, then go back, go inside bin, then bash startup dot Tomcat has been started. Go on refresh. What's the username? Tomcat. Password? Tomcat.